The standing triceps pushdown with dual hook straight bar is an exercise that primarily targets the long head of the triceps to help build size and definition. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach the dual hook straight bar to both sides of the high pulley on a cable machine. Make sure the pulley is set to the highest position. Stand facing the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent for stability. Grab the straight bar with an overhand, palms facing down grip, positioning your hands shoulder width apart. Stand tall, keeping your core tight, chest lifted, and shoulders back to maintain good posture throughout the movement. Exhale as you press the bar downwards by extending your elbows fully while focusing on squeezing your triceps as you push the bar down toward your thighs. Keep your elbows stationary and close to your sides with only your forearms moving. Avoid using momentum or swinging your body. Once your arms are fully extended, squeeze your triceps for a moment to maximize contraction. Inhale as you slowly return the bar to the starting position by bending your elbows. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.